Have you heard about WannaCry ransomware attack? This attack happened in 2017, where more than 230,000 computers across 150 countries were infected in a day. The users were locked out of their systems and had to pay a ransom of 300 to 600 Bitcoin. Big names like FedEx, Hitachi or Nissan Motors were affected by it, and the systems were put on hold. Another major attack was Capital One attack, which happened in 2019, where more than 1 million computers were affected. Hey all, I am Manmeet Sahni, a child psychologist and a career counselor. In this video, we'll talk about what is ethical hacking, different roadmaps to be an ethical hacker, skills required, job prospects, and remunerations for an ethical hacker. Now the question is hacking always wrong? It's like a game of good guys and the bad guys. The bad guys try to infiltrate into the security of the computer systems for their own gains, whereas the good guys, the ones who are into ethical hacking, they try to stop these bad ones. So when companies hire the hackers for their own securities to find the loopholes into their own systems, it is known as ethical hacking. So the ethical hacker uses the same tools as used by the malicious hacker, but with the permission of the company to defend the company and to find the loopholes in the company so that the malicious hackers are not able to intrude into the system. The hackers are basically of three types: the black hat hackers, the ones who are the malicious ones, the grey hat hackers who intrude into other systems only for fun, and the white hat hackers, also known as ethical hackers. Now the question is how to become an ethical hacker. There are many self-taught ethical hackers, but it is always good to enter a profession with some professional knowledge. You require a bachelor's degree in computer sciences or cyber security to become an ethical hacker. You also require certain certifications to be a white hat hacker. The prominent ones are CEH certifications, CPTE certification, CREST certification, and CISSP certification. Along with that, you require a sound knowledge of computers, proficiency in different languages, and skills to use different hacking tools. You should have out-of-box thinking skills, analytical skills, and most importantly, problem-solving skills. Let's talk about the most important part, that is the job trends. Every company who has a website requires an ethical hacker. With all the information going digital, right from net banking to personal shopping to defense, aerospace and R&D and everything else, cybersecurity has become a major issue. More and more skilled and professionals are required in cybersecurity field, so it has a great scope. According to Outlook 2020, there has never been a better time to have a career in cybersecurity. Last year, there was a shortage of 3 million people in cybersecurity field. This is a job profile which is here to stay for the next few years. Now let's talk about remunerations. What if I tell you that you can earn millions by hunting bugs? Well, these are not those bugs. Have you heard about bug bounty programs? Ethical hackers are rewarded to breach into the security of the company, report it to the company so that it can be safely resolved. All the big names like Facebook, Apple, Yahoo, Amazon, they give you a hefty sum if you breach into their security and report the problem to the company. Usually ethical hackers start with a salary of around 5 to 7 lakhs at the beginning of their career. But if you are really good at your work and keep on improving yourself from time to time, then there is no looking back. Recently, Bhavuk Jain of India was awarded a hefty sum of 75 lakh rupees by Apple to breach into its security and report the problem. So dear friends, if you require information regarding any of the careers, please stay connected to Counselors Connect.